Greetings, YouTube. I'd like to back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, YouTube, in this evening's quick video, it's the quick peek, YouTube. It's the quick peek at the orange Asiatic lilies that we're currently growing around Queen Annie's place in our backyard garden extended grow area in our food forest. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Aren't they spectacular, YouTube? These are indeed our third generation orange Asiatic lily bulbs that we transplanted here during the winter season when they were dormant, YouTube. They've been here since the winter season. They came up here roughly about 2 months ago, YouTube, and this is what they're looking like in our backyard food forest surrounding Queen Annie's place. We have a total of 4 YouTube orange Asiatic lilies planted back here, and they have indeed come into full blossom here in our backyard food forest, with the exception of one, which is our 4th orange Asiatic lily bulb that has some growth issues here, but she too is finally coming into her own here and producing flowers here, YouTube. See those flowers coming at the top of this orange Asiatic lily here? This is our 4th one. As you can see, she is a lot smaller than the previous 3, YouTube, but she too indeed will soon be in blossom here at Queen Annie's place. Yeah, just a quick peek at the orange Asiatic lilies, our 3rd generation orange Asiatic lilies that we're currently growing here at Queen Annie's place in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching.